In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a digital planner with hyperlinks using Canva. This is a great way to create a fully interactive planner that looks professional and works seamlessly on tablets, phones, or desktops. So let's jump right in. First, open Canva on your browser or mobile app. Once you're on the homepage, type planner into the search bar. Canva will instantly show you a wide variety of templates, from minimalist daily planners to colorful yearly layouts. Take a few moments to scroll through and pick one that fits your personal style or purpose. Once you've found a template you like, click on it and select Customize this template. This will open it in Canva's editing workspace where you can personalize every detail. Now, before we add hyperlinks, let's customize the basic look. Change the colors, fonts, and text to match your theme or brand. You can also replace placeholder text with your own sections like to-do list, goals, or notes. Now, let's move on to the key part, hyperlinking. To create a clickable link, start by clicking on the text option from the left-hand menu and choose Add a Text Box. Place this text box wherever you want the link to appear. For example, you can label it as Go to Next Page or Click Here. This label helps users navigate easily within your planner. Once your text is placed, highlight it and look for the link icon on the top right toolbar. Click on it, and a small box will appear where you can paste your URL or page link. You can link it to another page within your planner, an external website, or even a file stored online. After pasting the link, click Done. And just like that, your text is now hyperlinked. Repeat these steps for any other areas you want to make interactive, like monthly tabs, category buttons, or external resources. You can even use small icons or shapes instead of text and link them the same way to make your design cleaner. When you're done, go ahead and download your planner as a PDF, standard or print format. But make sure to check the box that says Flatten PDF is unchecked. This ensures that all your hyperlinks remain clickable. And that's it. You've just created your very own digital planner with functional hyperlinks in Canva. It's simple, efficient, and a great way to design something both beautiful and practical. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Happy planning!